Hello everyone. So in this video we will learn about Vlookup and its use cases. So we have a data here of students with their respective marks in each of the subjects. Now we have a table here and we want the data to be filled here. So we only want 5 students data here. So what a normal person could have done is just copy the number in front of the student and then pasted it. With a small data, this is possible, but when you work on a large number of data, it is not possible. So let's see how to use VLOOKUP here. So now it says VLOOKUP value. So our lookup value is Aditya. Then the table array. I've selected the whole table here. Then column index number. So for math, the column number is C, that is third. So we'll write 3 here. Then it comes true or false. That is approximate match or exact match. So we want to get exact match here. So we can either write false or 0. So I'll write 0 here, then close it. And that's how we got the number here. Now we'll drag this formula with Control D. But you can see that the table also shifted down. So what happens is whenever you copy a formula, it shifts the cell accordingly. So how to fix it? Now you can see that the table is going down, so we need to fix the table. So we need to freeze the table. So we have to select it and then press F4. And now you can see the dollar sign in front of alphabets also and numbers also. So that this means that we have freeze the column and this means that we have freeze the rows. And we'll enter it. Then we'll again drag the formula. So now you can see that the table has been freezed. Now, when I'll shift this formula here by using the shortcut Control R, you can see that my lookup value has shifted to right because I copied the formula right. Now, how to fix it? We'll have to freeze this also. So you can see that I want to freeze this column, but I don't want to freeze the rows because I want Aditya, Kunal, Kabir, and when I'll drag it, so I want it to take the different rows, but I want column to be fixed. So what I'll do here is you can either use the dollar sign here or you can press F4 3 times to get the column freezed. Now when I'll do the Control R, you can see that this column has been freezed now. So for history, the column number is 5. So we will write 5 here. And when we'll drag it, it will automatically take the values. Now for geography, you can do the similar thing. But now I'll tell you a nice trick. So write VLOOKUP. We'll select the VLOOKUP value. We'll again select the table. Now we want we want 3 data here: maths, history, and geography. So the column number will be third. So we'll open the curly bracket. We'll write 3, then comma. Then we want history that comes on fifth column. So we'll write 5. And then we want geography that comes on sixth column. So we'll write 6 and then close the curly bracket, comma, 0 again, close it and enter. So now you see that by using one formula, we can get the values in 3 columns. And if I drag it down, first I'll freeze the table here. If I drag it down, you can see that I got the values in all the 3 columns. Now, we will learn how to use sum formula and VLOOKUP formula together. Let's take this case that we want sum of English, math and geography for these 5 students. Now, rather than getting 3 columns and then adding them up, we can use a single formula. And I'm going to tell you how to do it. So first we'll have to get the sum formula and then we'll have to start the VLOOKUP formula here. Take the lookup value, select the table array. Now select the curly bracket Now if we want English, that comes on second, we want maths, that comes on third, and we want geography, that comes on sixth. We'll close the bracket, comma 0, and that's how we get the sum. If you want to check, so English, maths, and geography, here it comes as 258. We'll freeze the table now, and we'll drag it. So that's how we can use sum and VLOOKUP together. So if you feel my content to be relevant, please like the video and subscribe the channel. And if you have any query, please mention in the comments.